Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech, and we're doing a debrief of one of this week's trades on Devon Energy. So let's get into it. Okay, so this trade was from February 15th, 2023. Symbol was Devon Energy, and this one was interesting because remember when we looked, I should have recorded it here, but when we looked at the market was down, and then the SPY market, it was down, I think, about 1%. And then when we looked at energy was down like 3%. And then we went over to Devon, and Devon was down like 11%. So that got your attention, an 11% loss for the day. And you can see it was interesting that it made literally like a range stat move, which was like 10 of our risk boxes in the first like 15 minutes. So this thing was certainly in play. When the PSAR flipped, that's how I've been calibrating my MMRB, and the R10 was about right there, but I like this one more. I'll zoom in on that. Since our initial stop is based off kind of these flips, I like to have that little bit of extra room from the RL10 and the price. So we use that as kind of our calibration measure, and then we're basically looking for 3 of those down. So 1, 2, 3. So at that point, by the time it got to like here, that's when we were stalking it. And sure enough, it bottomed out here. And then one thing I've been trying now is just, if price comes, one of these MMRBs off the bottom, I'll just buy it. I don't even wait for the PSAR flip, which would have been about the exact same entry. And wouldn't have had to deal with holding on for dear life when it came down. And this red line down here is our stop, so it literally came within like a couple ticks of our stop, but it didn't hit it, came back up, and then we just used this trail stop. That's what I used, and it got up, and then slight pullback, came up more, and then up here at this level, this was our 2R level. So by the time it got there, what I did is I just ratcheted the stop up, move this up here. So when it got up here to this 2R level, I was trailing with this 1R risk box, but then I wanted to just lock in 1.5R, so then I just moved it up here, and then quickly right after it did stop us out. It would have been nice to get a re-entry here to capture this move going up, but I had gotten 1.5 for the day, and that was good enough. So this blue vertical line, is when I stopped trading. I just walked away. It's important to know when enough is enough. But I will note that this purple line was our target. We were looking at, when it had this big harsh down move for a return back up to this target, and sure enough, it did. It got right to there. That's been happening a lot lately. I mean, the symmetry is just beautiful of how it has this, this big down move, and then the up move that comes right back up. Click the link in the description to check out our trading courses at ablewaytech.com. You can also sign up for our free weekly newsletter there. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more trading examples and trading lessons posted each week. Thanks for watching.